What's up, Deke? RelaxShacks.com. In a treehouse over a swamp, which you'll see in the future. I just did a guest video for Stephen Harrow. You might see it there and see more on this. I developed an A-frame, a transforming one that I have a plan set for on RelaxShacks.com. And by the way, Tiny House Summer Camp 6, full camping, hands-on, like 10 instructors, is coming up. There's still some spots left. Check it out, RelaxShacks.com. But a lot of people have built this cabin. The means by which you can lift what's called the wing wall or swing wall in the cabin is, I won't call it complex. Some interesting birds over there. But it's something that people have tweaked and kind of built to their own liking, their own needs. This right here is an excerpt from a video we did for Tiny House Listings that shows a pretty cool hack with the plan set I came up with. So I'm just showing this to those out there who might be building this cabin and want some further ideas. So check it for what it's worth. And please subscribe too.
If you look at the design here, or look at the picture, to the keen eye, or anybody that's built anything, you're going to see a 2x4 holding a suspiciously large wing wall open. And the first thing you're thinking is, danger, Will Robinson. Well, my dad, as ingenious as he is, had to come up with 3 revisions to get this done. There's a 2x4 in the picture because we ran out of time. My parents are the one who came up with this. So the first revision was a single pole holding it up. That was dangerous to say the least. The second revision was kind of an H configuration with PVC. It was very cumbersome and slightly weak. And the third revision here is a big header up top, totally unnecessary, 12-inch header, but it's what we had on the compound with 2 pulleys and a rope. We needed it to be simple, cost-effective, and safe at the same time. This fits all 3. So it just goes around some boat cleats here. 3 wraps gets us 6 foot plus. 6 foot plus allows most people to walk underneath, as well as putting your bed underneath for stargazing.